I'm back here with another look at the Veracity. All right, if you go back to the video a couple days ago, I've been calling for another push up, and here we go. All right, so this is on the weekly chart. Let's go out to the daily. All right, you can see that nice big green push here. Okay, we were talking about a 618 pullback. That's exactly what we got, right to the 0.618, and that's where we bounced from. All right, 2 days ago. If you go back to that video, I put this on there. Said watch for the 618 or 702. We got the 618, and look at this nice push up here. All right, so far today we're up 16.72%. All right, nice move. All right, where are we headed to? Well, we're going to take a look here and find that out here. Okay, first off, I want to take you over and show you a couple things here. Volume number one. All right, let's see where the volume's at. Volume is up 18%, 22,303,869. Market cap is at $78,812,920. So looking great. Volume is absolutely coming in, and things are looking great for Veracity. All right, we were calling for this breakout. We're getting it, getting a nice push up here. Okay, here's the crypto bubbles for the well, that's for the month. Here's for the week, and here is for the day. All right, Bitcoin is starting to make another push back up, and that's what it does. It turns everything green. You know, that's what Bitcoin does. It brings money in the market. When Bitcoin's rising, that's when people are coming in and spending money. Okay, I told you a couple weeks ago that I believe this was a great time to get into altcoins, and like I said, if you would have done that, you would be you'd be in profit in every single token in the top 100. So that's what you want to see. All right, so things are looking great there. All right, the number one thing I want to come over here and show you too real quick is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is, once Bitcoin makes a run, the whole market makes a run. Okay, Bitcoin is up $1,800 today. It ended up you can see this trend-based extension that I put on here, and it hit that target perfectly. All right, up at 38,043 bucks. The way I come up with that. If you have my trading lessons, you already know how to use this thing. Trend-based Fibonacci extension. You put it on the low of wave 1 to the high of wave 1 to the retracement. Okay, now if you use the wick, which I don't like using wicks, all right, I'd rather just use my my regular target there. Okay, and that gave us a perfect extension there. That was 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now it looked like it did a zigzag ABC in here, an ABC, sideways ABC, and it looks like it's starting another 5 waves up here. Okay, Bitcoin is up 5.13% for the day, $1,800. The daily RSI is just starting. Look at it right at the bottom, 16.3 and a 16.19. It's bullish, and I believe it's going to make a run at that 38,000, roughly 38,500 bucks. All right, if it breaks that, and the reason I have that number, all right, if you look over here, right there was a major support level. Okay, that is a major resistance level now. Okay, this is on the monthly. If it can bust through that, then these altcoins are really gonna start ripping. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin as, whoops, let's get this off log. Sorry about that. There we go. Now my trend line is back where it should be, and this thing is making higher highs and higher lows and looking absolutely fine. Now if we go back over to Veracity here, all right, this doesn't look like much of a move at all from down there, does it? Boy, oh boy, the thing's up 16.5% for the day. Could have a long ways up to go. All right, if we go out in the weekly, we have some price targets here, okay? Number one, if we take that trend-based fib, and I do want to give a big shout out to the members here, okay? Had some new members the last couple days, and I can't thank you enough, guys. A lot of people signing up for the trading lessons. Level 3s and level 4s are the trading lessons. Caspa God, Des, Blue Safari, Christian, John, Kevin, Sominex, Thomas, Marty, you've been here a while. Marty rejoined. FMK, Eyes Wide Open, Prepping for Beginners. Gesundheitler, I believe that's pronounced. Karat, Falconeer, rejoined. Will Hammer, Host Thinking. Jay, Benji, Elby, rejoined. Level 4, thank you, Elby. Will, Noted Trader. Franny, Ryan, Lib, Baja, Trapper, Jason, and Andy. Andy, I mean, these guys have been here the longest, right from the beginning. As soon as I got monetized, they've been here ever since. I got monetized about 3 months ago, and all these people here, thank you. Thank you to everybody. But total time as a member, that goes from the top to the bottom. Thank you so much, everybody. And the trading lessons, over 7 hours, over 17 videos, and I've got nothing but great feedback. As far as you members go, if you have any kind of questions, you want to know anything, I get special messages just for members that come straight to me. So any questions you guys want to know, any charts you want me to look at, just hit me up, okay? I'm here for you, just like you've been here for me. So thank you so much. And to the people that watch the channel and watch the videos, thank you so very, very much also. You know, everybody from a 99-cent level to the $24.99 level, thank you very, very much, guys. You keep the channel going. You really do. I make as much off memberships as I do views. So it definitely, it helps out a ton. So I can't thank you enough. I hope you guys turn out to be better traders than me. I really do. It cost me $500 to learn the stuff that I put in these videos. So for $14.99, I think that's a hell of a bargain. All right, and I've got nothing but great feedback. So you guys know how to do it. You guys are starting to do it on your own, and I'm so proud of you. So congratulations, everybody. Keep up the great work, and you know, and pretty soon you won't need to be watching my channel. You'll be watching your own. That's for sure. I have all the confidence in the world in that. All right, now as far as veracity, let's take a trend-based Fibonacci and look at some targets here. We're going to ignore that wick, and we're going to go right to there, okay? This thing's given a target up at 0.0126, all right? Now, if we use the wick, that considerably raises the target up there, up to 0.0190. All right, way up at that area up there, which quite honestly, I would go without the wick. You know, just to be on the safe side, I would go without the wick and go with these targets down here. All right, if it blows through them targets, that's even better. Then we'll go with the higher ones. But this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and your fifth wave would be coming in now. Okay, this thing should be pushing up towards the 0.0115 area. That is the top of the of this move. All right, so if we move this up just a hair, let's lock it there. That's the target we're shooting for. Okay, now as far as RSIs go, let's take a look here. All right, we got the weeklies at the top. The monthly is still heading up, and the daily is just reset. The daily's at the bottom, okay? That's why we're starting to get this massive push. Look at this. When you're at the top, you're way overbought. When you're at the bottom, you're way oversold, okay? When this thing's at the top, you're looking for price action to come down. When it's at the bottom, you're looking for price action to come up, especially on the daily and the weekly and the monthly, the higher time frames. And if you trade on the 15-minute, if you're in there on the 15-minute trading, which I like to trade, I like the long and short on the 15-minute, okay? You can see here on the 15-minute, if you would have got in here on a long, by the time we got to the top, you got out up here, okay? Just for instance, and usually I use a 10x when I'm longing and shorting. That's in the trading videos too, how to long and short on MEXC. All right, you would go over here, and you would have made 40%. 10 times 4 is 40%. So if you would have had $100 in on that, you'd be up to $140 in one trade. There you go. That pays for your $15 trading lessons. You know what I mean? You get your money back fast, man. There's no guarantees. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. None of that stuff. But I do just fine with reading my own charts. I don't watch anybody else. I listen to myself. I watch myself, and I stick to my own calls. Okay. Now that first area to take out, because we're below this area here right now. That first area to take out is at 0.0078. Okay. And then this target up here at 0.0092. All right, and then we would be making our way up to our target of 0.0117. All right, and on the daily, this could take, this could take a few days to play out. You can see how many days in here. These are daily candles. You can see it can take a while to play out here. So just stick with it, and you can see the waves, especially on the weekly. When you go out to the weekly, the waves stick out a lot better. Okay, you can clearly see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth wave coming in up there. So you can clearly see a wave count on there, okay? We expect the volume to pick up there big time. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, there you go. 999 million, all right, on today's volume on this green candle right here. Ate up all of yesterday's losses, ate all that up, and right now it is up almost 16%, one of the biggest gainers for the day. So Verasity is looking fine. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Consider joining up for the as a member. I would love to have you. It helps the channel so much, and learn how to do this stuff yourself, guys. You only live one time, man. Give yourself every opportunity you can to give yourself the life you want. That's my main goal. I don't want to work forever. I'm not going to work forever. I'm going to retire early, and I'm going to travel the world, and I'm going to enjoy myself. So, all right, guys. I hope that's your goals. I don't know what your goals are in life. Maybe to pay for your kids' college tuition. Maybe to pay your mortgage off. Whatever it is, do it. Do it. Only you can stop yourself, okay? Motivation is a big thing. If you're motivated to do something, that's my wife always tells me, that not tooting my own horn here, but she says every time I put my mind to something, I don't stop until I finish it. But it's just drive I have inside me, and if I can teach people how to do this skill and to change their lives, that is worth everything to me. It really is. Then I can make my little tiny mark on this world and change some lives. So that's my main goal. All right, I love you guys. Have a great day. If you're in the United States, I hope you have a beautiful Thanksgiving tomorrow, everybody. Just enjoy your time with your family, and just enjoy your day off. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon.